deciding to distribute these umbrellas, which were donated by our Malaysian brothers.
In the harsh winter of displacement, rain that once symbolized life now brings misery. Inadequate shelters and lack of basic supplies leave families exposed to relentless weather. To offer some relief, we are providing umbrellas to the displaced families. These umbrellas are more than just a shield from the rain. They are a small gesture of care, a way to protect them as they navigate their difficult circumstances. Each umbrella represents hope and safety for these families. While it cannot replace a proper home, it is a step toward easing their suffering, keeping them dry and warm during their walks or their wait in the cold. The need here is immense. From shelter to food to clothing, displaced families lack everything the rest of the world takes for granted. Your support can help provide not just survival, but a sense of comfort and hope to those who have lost everything.
We have distributed these umbrellas to the displaced people. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala